Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the platform. Robinhood is a popular platform for investing and trading, particularly known for its commission-free stock trading, options trading, and cryptocurrency trading features. Accessed through a user-friendly mobile app and website, Robinhood offers a streamlined interface designed to simplify the investment process for beginners. While its simplicity is a major draw, it's important to understand the platform's full range of features and potential limitations. This platform provides access to a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Users can research individual assets, view market data, and track their portfolio performance all within the app. Robinhood also offers educational resources for investors of varying experience levels, aiming to empower users to make informed investment decisions. However, it's worth noting that the platform's research tools may not be as comprehensive as those offered by more established brokerage firms. Beyond its core trading features, Robinhood provides a cash management account, allowing users to earn interest on uninvested cash. This feature can be particularly attractive to those seeking to consolidate their finances within a single platform. Furthermore, Robinhood offers a premium subscription service, Robinhood Gold, which unlocks additional benefits such as margin investing and more extensive research tools. However, it's crucial to carefully consider the costs associated with Robinhood Gold and whether its benefits align with your investment goals. While Robinhood has gained widespread popularity, it's essential to be aware of potential drawbacks. The platform has faced criticism in the past for its limited customer service options and past outages during periods of high market volatility. Additionally, the platform's streamlined interface, while user-friendly, may lack the advanced charting and analytical tools that seasoned investors might require. Before deciding if Robinhood is the right platform for you, carefully research its features, consider your investment needs, and compare it to other brokerage options available. Thoroughly understanding the platform's strengths and limitations will enable you to make an informed decision about whether it aligns with your investment strategy. Finally, remember that all investments carry inherent risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results.